Hey everyone, this is a brief introduction to the photosynthesis lab. I want you guys to notice a few things in the screen here. We have the heat sink, we have the lamp over there, and in the foreground we have here a stopwatch. You'll probably be using your phone. The LabQuest, which is connected to the colorimeter, and behind here we have our cuvettes. I just pulled out 6 cuvettes. You may have 5, we'll see. And you're going to be I'm going to add the phosphate buffer, the water, so that you won't have to worry about that when you come to class. What you will have to worry about is adding a solution called DPIP, which I have in the back there in an envelope. It's light sensitive. And you'll also be adding chloroplast. So I just wanted to take you at least through some of the beginning steps. So for chloroplast, you're going to be adding, once you've added the DPIP to the necessary vials here, the cuvettes, you're going to be adding chloroplast. So let's pretend I've just added 2 chloroplasts to this blank cuvette. 1, 2. You're going to take it, put it into the colorimeter. Remember to have the ribbed side on the sides because the light's going to be passing through where that arrow is, which you can just barely make out right there. So you want to have the smooth sides of the cuvette on the front and back here. Close it. We're going to hit calibrate. Okay, so it's calibrating right now, and that's going to be, it's going to set this to be the 0% reading. So you've added chloroplast, but we don't want the chloroplast to be part of the percent transmittance. So then what we're going to hit is on the colorimeter, the LabQuest, you're going to hit play. And I've already set this to the proper settings, and you're going to hit this other one, keep. And then you're going to get this screen that says events with entry, enter the value for the event. Just click OK. You'll know it's the first one. And then it gives you the percent transmittance, which is 100%. And the next step is to remove it, put it behind the heat sink when it's time to turn the light on. And actually, we'll go ahead and turn the light on now. Here is when you want to start your stopwatch. Okay. Then you're going to add chloroplasts to the next cuvette, 1, 2. This is the one wrapped in the foil. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. It's a little tricky. So I'm ruining my foil here. But you'll do so more carefully. You put it into the colorimeter. You don't need to hit calibrate. You simply hit keep. Click OK. Let's just get through this quickly. And then it'll give you the percent transmittance. And this one has DPIP in it, so you can see it's a much lower transmittance. Then we can take that out. You're going to wrap number 2 back up in the tin foil, which I'm not going to be able to do right here, right now. But you can imagine it being wrapped in the tin foil and placed here. And then you want to note the time on the stopwatch when that went back there, 52 seconds. Okay. Then you're going to add your 2 chloroplasts to number 3, 1, 2. You're going to put this away in the colorimeter, close it. You're going to again hit keep. You're going to click OK to speed through this, and you're going to get that transmittance, and so on. And then you'll note the time on your stopwatch, so 1:24. And we'll place it behind the heat sink here. And so you can imagine going through these other cuvettes as well. And then once you've gotten it started with the chloroplast, let's say we've gotten to 5 minutes now on the watch. So number 1, we began at 0, so we would pick this one up, put it into the colorimeter, close it, and then hit keep again, and you just keep repeating. Hopefully this is helpful and will clear up any confusion. I'll see you guys in class. Bye-bye.